Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my thumbnail. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys some of my skincare and hair care remedies. So इसमें जो mostly products हैं वो 2-3 months ही old हैं, like मैंने अभी recently finish किए हैं. So the purpose of this video is to give you guys a mini review of all these products based on my experience and tell you guys will I be repurchasing them in the future. So I have got products to show you from different categories, like I have 3 skincare products and 3 hair care and 2 body care products. तो जल्दी से start करते हैं. But before that, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं या फिर आते रहते हैं सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell. And now what are we waiting for? Let's start. So we'll start with the skincare first, and the first product what I have is this Laneige water sleeping mask, and this is basically a sleeping mask which is supposed to moisturize and soothe your skin overnight. This is what it looks like. So इसकी gel consistency है. अभी मैं consistency दिखा नहीं पाऊँगी आपको because ये पूरा empty है. So I found this product very average, to be really honest, because I have a combination skin and I bought this in winter, and in winters it was not doing anything for me. It was not moisturizing at all, and then मैंने इसको summer में use करना start किया तो summer के हिसाब से ये ठीक था. It has a gel consistency similar to what you get in that Pond's Superlight gel, and I think ये 25 ml 700 rupees का आता है, and that Pond's one is very affordable, and ये work भी similar ही करता है. Like I didn't feel any difference in both of them. I used that Pond's one also, and इसमें मुझे कुछ ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ये स्लीपिंग मास्क की तरह काम कर रहा है एंड ओवरनाइट इट्स प्रोवाइडिंग मी सम मोर मॉइस्चर एंड इट्स सूदिंग माई स्किन, नथिंग लाइक दैट. सो या अगर मुझे अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में सेम प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है तो आई विल आई गो फॉर दिस वन. सो आई विल नॉट बी repurchasing दिस वन. Okay, so next product is this Myoho Pure by Priyanka Glow Face Serum, and this costs around 1,000 rupees. Yeah, I think 975 rupees for 40 ml of product, and this has kumkumadi oil, sandalwood extracts, and hyaluronic acid. So this is supposed to just regenerate the uppermost layer of your skin and gives you a beautiful glow. So it's supposed to be applied at night, and then you can apply the moisturizer on top of it. तो मैंने ये काफ़ी यूज़ किया है, लाइक मैंने इसको 2-3 मंथ रिलीजियसली यूज़ किया. सो बिकॉज इसमें कुमकुमादी ऑयल है तो आई हैव टू से कि ये काफ़ी मॉइस्चराइजिंग था फॉर द स्किन. या आई हैव टू गिव दैट राइट टू दिस प्रोडक्ट, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई डेंट फील एनी थिंग स्पेशल अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट. लाइक आई बॉट इट स्पेशली फॉर द ग्लो, बट मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा ग्लो जैसा नहीं लगा इसको लगाने के बाद. ऑफकोर्स माई स्किन यूज टू फील वेरी मॉइस्चराइज एंड वेरी plump and very soft when I used to wake up in the morning. बट उसके अलावा आई डेंट थिंक कि ये एज अ ग्लो सीरम मेरे लिए वर्क करा है. एंड या सो अबाउट रीपर्चेसिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट, आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी रीपर्चेसिंग दिस बिकॉज एट नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइज़र ही चाहिए तो आई बाय एनी मॉइस्चराइज़र और एनी hyaluronic acid serum. Why to invest money on this? So next product is face mask, and in summers I mostly prefer using clay based mask because summers में skin काफ़ी oily हो जाती है तो clay mask काफ़ी better work करते हैं because they clean all that dirt and that oiliness from your skin. So for that what I have is this plum face mask. Is in their green tea variant, and this is called clear green tea clear face mask. So as you can see I have finished it pura, and yeah, this was a very decent purchase. This is very good mask. It has a creamy consistency and it doesn't dry up my skin, and yeah, it cleansed my skin very well. So it's a good affordable mask, and I'll not be repurchasing this because there are a lot of clay masks available in the market. So I want to try different brands, but there's nothing wrong with the product. So if you're looking for a good affordable clay mask, you can definitely try this one. This also has glycolic acid, so ये as a exfoliating mask भी work करता है. And the next mask which I have is this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mud Mask, and ये मुझे free मिला था from the one of the products which I bought of Pixi. I think I bought the Glow Tonic, and हाँ उसमें मुझे ये free मिला था and I've used it पूरा. It's a 15 ml product, and this is also a clay based mask, and it's supposed to purify and cleanse your skin. So yeah, this was also a very decent clay mask. It was good actually. It didn't dry up my skin, and सो दिस इज़ अ मिनी साइज प्रोडक्ट एंड उसका फुल साइज आता है वो आई थिंक 2000 से अबव आता है, सो इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. सो आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी repurchasing this mask because I think if you're looking for some treatment on your skin and you want to treat your acne scars or something like that, it's better to invest in some leave-on serums because you know they stay on your skin for a long amount of time, so they can work that much. But अगर clay mask, you know, you just wash it off after 10-15 minutes. So I think mask में इतना invest करना is not very smart. So yeah, I'll not be repurchasing this one. Okay. तो skincare में इतने products थे. Now I have some hair care products to show you. So first one is this Myoho, again the same brand, Myoho Pure by Priyanka onion hair oil. So this has mainly red onions, extra virgin coconut oil and rosemary oil. So अभी काफ़ी टाइम पहले मुझे हेयर फॉल काफ़ी हो रहा था एंड दिस इज़ इसमें लिखा है हेयर फॉल ट्रीटमेंट. सो आई वांटेड टू ट्राई एन अनियन हेयर ऑयल, सो इसलिए आई बॉट दिस वन बिकॉज दिस इज़ एन इंडियन ब्रांड, सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव इट अ ट्राई. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट डिडंट वर्क आउट फॉर माई हेयर फॉल. मैंने इसको पूरा यूज़ किया है. ये 110 ml प्रोडक्ट है एंड इट कॉस्ट ऑन 500 एंड आई हैव यूज द इंटायर बॉटल एंड मुझे कुछ हेयर फॉल में डिफरेंस नहीं लगा. अभी जो आई एम यूजिंग फॉर माई हेयर केयर that is working out really great for me. And if you want to know my hair care products which I'm using right now, which has completely stopped my hair fall to around सिर्फ 10% ही हो रहा है, which is normal. So yeah, if you want to know what I'm using, so you can write it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to film a video on my hair care. Okay, so coming on to this product, so yeah, I'll not be repurchasing this for obvious reasons because ये इसमें लिखा है hair fall treatment and it didn't do anything for that. So yeah, I'll not be repurchasing this one. So hair care category में next I have two shampoos to show you. So we recently I wanted to try some natural and sulfate free shampoos and I was just searching on Nykaa and I stumbled upon this product. So this is Aveda Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo and this is not sulfate free, but this is mostly made of natural ingredients and I just wanted to give it a try because it was very famous. So Aveda is one of the luxury brands in Nykaa and I bought this small bottle because obviously I wanted to try it out first and then invest in the bigger bottle because I think इसकी जो बड़ी bottle आती है वो 1100-1200 की आती है. So the thing about the shampoo is कि when I used it after oiling my hair, so इसने like it didn't used to wash off the oil from my hair. Every time I used it, I can still feel that stickiness of oil on my hair. So for some reason it didn't work out for me at all. So yeah, I'll not be repurchasing this. I think water का भी difference होता है because मेरे घर पे काफ़ी hard water आता है, so that might be the reason, but I don't know. So yeah, I'll not be repurchasing this and I think मुझे इस वीडियो का टाइटल ना प्रोडक्ट्स आई रिग्रेट बाय डाल देना चाहिए बिकॉज अब तक मैंने जितने प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए सारे मैं यही बोल रही हूँ कि आई डेंट लाइक इट मच और आई नॉट बी repurchasing it. I don't know. I think I'll have to rethink before buying a product very well now. But ठीक है, it didn't go to full waste because now I can review these products for you guys and help you take the right decision. So the next shampoo is by Forest Essentials. It's called their Forest Essential Hair Cleanser. It's in the variant Brahmi and Japa Patti. I don't know how to pronounce that. So it's a sulfate-free shampoo, and of course it's Forest Essentials. So Forest Essentials is known for their natural products. So yeah, so this was a very decent shampoo. I have to say it was very good. It cleansed my hair very well and nothing जो oil की stickiness वाली problem थी वो मुझे इस shampoo में बिल्कुल नहीं आई. But the thing about this shampoo is कि you have to use a very large quantity to properly clean your hair. So ये जो छोटी बॉटल थी ये मुझे सिर्फ 4-5 यूजेस ही लास्ट करी because I have a pretty decent length hair. So if you want to go for a luxurious sulfate free shampoo then you can definitely try this one. And इसमें 2-3 variants भी आते हैं. The one which I bought was for extremely dry, damaged and chemically treated hair. So yeah, you can try any of these variants. And next I have 2 body care products to show you and we'll just quickly go over them. So first one is this Nivea Shower Gel. So yeah, Nivea Shower Gels are very good, very affordable. They don't dry up your skin and I have I'm in the variant lemon and oil. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा variant था like summer में. It has a very citrusy smell to it. So समर्स के हिसाब से काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, and yeah, I was finished it पूरा. So yeah, it was a decent purchase, and if you're looking for some good affordable shower gels, then Nivea shower gels are very good. Next product is a body lotion, and it's just from a random brand which is called Dermafik, and this is their night replenish body serum infused with vitamin beads. So this has vitamin E beads in it, so when you apply it ना वो clear दिखता है कि there's some red color beads in there. So it's called night replenish body serum, and yeah, मतलब ये काफ़ी एवरेज था, कुछ ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइजेशन नहीं लगा मुझे. बेसिक नॉर्मल कैसे वैसलीन के बॉडी लोशंस आते हैं, इट वॉज सिमिलर टू दैट, नथिंग फैंसी अबाउट इट. So yeah, I'll not be repurchasing this again. So that's it for today's video, guys. These were all the products which I wanted to show you. I hope आपके लिए video helpful रहा है, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and you can also see me on Instagram. This is my handle, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.